everyone, I have this palette. It's a new palette from Cosmic Beauty. They used to be called Cosmic Brushes, and it is the Lover's Palette. It is a 20-pound palette, and this is what the inside looks like. It is very pretty. This is my first Cosmic Beauty palette. And that was something I said in 2025, I'll try them. So I am going to create a look. This palette been in for a while, but I had my Black History Month and I had my Black owned products I was using in February. So it had to sit for a while, but now I'm ready to use it. So here we are. Let us have some fun. Yeah. We are going to have some fun. I'm going to do a 2-color eyeshadow look. And if we venture into 3, then that's okay. My eyes already been based. I am going to go into, it's tough. It's tough to decide, but I'll go with the blue in the outer corner. Maybe I might do a 3-color eyeshadow look. I don't know. How are y'all doing today? I hope everybody's doing great. I'm having a good day. This color here is pretty. I have never tried anything from Cosmic Beauty, and this is my first try, and I'm already liking how this matte is just melting into my skin. This is effortless. Effortless, yes. So I made a good choice to try them. If you or anyone you know is suffering with an addiction or suffering with mental illness or any other ailment, please help them to find help. I know it could be frustrating and hard when you look for help for people and they don't appreciate it and they don't accept it. It is easy for us to throw the towel. If you need to take a break, take a break. I just hope that the person who needs the help will accept help. Wow. Take a look. I mean, this is gorgeous. Today's I am says, and it did come from the comments, it says, I accept myself for who I am and create peace, power, and confidence of mind and of heart. I'll read that again. Today's I am to empower you and encourage you to keep moving on and doing what makes you happy and brings you peace. Today's I am came from the comments and it says, I accept myself for who I am and create peace, power, and confidence of mind and of heart. There is nothing more comfortable than having your peace of mind. Money cannot buy you peace of mind. You have to create that peace of mind for yourself. You have to find what brings you peace of mind and do that. This is a second matte color that I am using from the Cosmic Brushes. That's the old name, Cosmic Cosmetics. Nope, Cosmic Beauty. That's the name. I tell you. It's new to me, so I am having a hard time trying to remember the name, but it is Cosmic Beauty. This is blending so nicely. I am like, it's like I'm doing no work here. I'm just tapping the brush in it and then I'm putting it down and it's just finding its place. That's how nice this is. But peace of mind is something we all need. Because there are going to be trouble times. Always there'll be trouble times. But if you have peace of mind, you will stand in a better position to tackle what comes to you. Do not let any and anybody disturb your peace. You have the power to control your peace. This palette is truly nice. I am just doing a simple look. Please remember to share this video. I'm going back over here because you see I went all the way here, so now I need to go back over here. And I did add more to the brush. And I'm just going to blend like this so I can merge both of them together seamlessly. I'm not doing much, I'm just going very lightly to blend it. You see what I'm talking about? And I do the same over here. Just like that to make sure they look like they just merge into each other. My camera was out of focus here for a minute. Sometimes I do more on one side than the other, so I have to keep going back and forth so I can get it at least close to each other. This is what we're looking like so far. This is such a pretty palette. These are 2 mattes. I'm not going to touch it with anything else. I think that's it. Let me just finish it up and I will reveal the complete look with lips and maybe a headscarf. Who knows? We'll see. Cosmic Beauty. Cosmic Beauty. They will also call cosmic brushes. This palette is just fabulous. Take a look at this. I used this color in the outer corner, this color, which is like a mint, in the inner corner. 2 color eyeshadow, they're both matte, nice and creamy. They look like this. This blends magnificently. First palette from this company, and I am already liking the 2 shades that I purchased. I bought this palette because I love the outside packaging. When I saw the packaging, I was like, oh, I like this. And then when I sit inside, I say, it's not as colorful as I love, but I can work with this. And here we are with the first look. I am feeling myself. These 2 colors are like there, but you don't even feel it's like they're there. They are there. I use nothing new today. My lip color is by Juvia's Place. It's maroon. Love this. This is so gorgeous, very potent. So after I put it, I have to blot it so it's not all over my teeth because this color is intense. Remember to guard your peace of mind with your whole being. There are some people that will come your way just to disturb your peace of mind. Do not let them. Work within and let it show on the outside. I love you all dearly, very, very much. Please remember after you watch this video to share it. That keeps me visible on YouTube. I appreciate everything you do to help my channel stay visible and to grow on YouTube. I will see you tomorrow with another look from this Cosmic Beauty palette. It's called The Lovers. So, with that said, leave me an I am so I can say it. I need some I ams from you. So please leave me an I am. I appreciate them always. Bye.